Here is the once proud sign for the coastal redwoods, or Sequoia sempervirens, which means ever living, that were planted in Balboa Park decades ago. The redwood grove sloping down into Cabrillo Canyon was a wonderful place to walk. The tall trees had vibrant green branches, complementing their deep red trunks. They shaded us on sunny days. Their majestic stature led us to feel awe as we looked, and then looked up at the sky through the trees. Regrettably, I didn't video them 3 years ago, because I thought they would always be here. Now, sadly, the trees are dead or dying. This is a green redwood with healthy shoots getting water from the lawn irrigation system, one of the few. You can see for yourself by visiting Redwood Circle just off Balboa Drive at Maple Street. The trees are dire warnings like those of canaries in the coal mines. And by the way, the park's Canary Island pines are declining, along with the Torrey Pines. Here is a really dead redwood. This is March 19th, 2015. California has had 10 years of drought. What makes the lack of water worse is the heat. Globally, 2014 was the hottest year on record. You can fact check this data like I did. Here are the dead Torrey Pines, and ones cut down to be hauled away. The redwoods will be cut too. I ask myself very basically, what to do?